Good morning, everyone, and we got another one. Look at this beauty, a 2018 BMW M4. We're asking $27,998 for this car. We have 122,000 miles, and she's black on black, and she's pretty well equipped. Heads-up display, carbon accents, carbon roof, beautiful car. Let's take a walk around, take a look at her. Look at that. And as a fan of BMW, I gotta say, they absolutely nailed the M4 in this generation. Just timeless, classic look. Look at that thing, she's a beauty, gorgeous. Let's take a look inside here. Look at that, really clean. 122,000 miles, $27,998. Hard to see up here, but look at that carbon roof. Absolutely gorgeous. Car comes with the heads-up display, Harman Kardon sound. Beautiful, beautiful car for a beautiful, beautiful price. And as always, let's do our customary. Let's get in and let's start her up. Alrighty here. Look at that. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Carbon looks great. And oh, absolutely beautiful. All right, information, description, and comments. Thank you. And again, shipping is available.
Yeah, another one. Yeah, man. It's going down, it's going down. This is probably the last video you'll get for the year, even though you'll get it next year, I think. So in the year end, we just gonna touch on everything that we need to do coming up. So the Benz, which you guys really do not see this a lot because nobody wants to see a E350. This is not one of those type of cars that people really, you know, in my opinion anyway, people want to really see. But I'm going to do a review on this one. You guys hit me down in the comments if you want me to do it or you don't care. Because when I had the CLS, nobody cared. Those CLS videos did not do well at all whatsoever. Anyhow, early 2026, I'm getting this fixed. No drama, baby mama. She rolled over one of those things in the parking lot, those little concrete stoppers, and got the front bumper caught, and boom, pulled that sucker right off. Anyhow, this is what it's all about. I already snuck over there days ago. I just haven't had time because it's been raining, and now it's not until tomorrow anyway. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve, but she's back. Butter is back, baby. The back is still kind of not kind of drooping. It's all the way down. We were supposed to have those new airbags installed. I don't know if they are installed because this shouldn't be doing this. This should not do this at all. But there are no leaks. Remember, we had the oil leak. There's a little leak right there. That may just be extra residue. But we had the oil leak, we had the transmission leak, we had the power steering leak, and we had the airbag leak. So I already spoke to Big D over at Noise for Toys. I got to drop this back off so they can check out why the back is still drooping. And yeah, we had a windstorm too. And it shredded this car cover, this would-be car cover, to shreds. So now HOA is going to be on my back. But I'm going to beat them to the punch. Because check this out. I beat them to the punch because I already ordered a new car cover. So let's get this on right now. down in the comments if y'all hate HOAs as much as I do.
Hey, buddy, what you trying to tell me?
I should leave that on. This is well, it ain't added support. This thing is this is all shot out. And just like that, she's done. The email is probably on the way though, because it's been like that for about 3-4 days since I picked Butter up. But either way, she's done now. There's no reason to complain. There's no reason to send me letters, no reason to send me emails. She's done. So once more, for good measure, I got to take this back to the shop. And this needs to be at least 4-5 more inches higher. And we are going to address this. This is no bueno. And then Lupita. We have to address Lupita. I just need to finish with Butter. I need to finish the repairs on her, and then we will get back to some E60 content. We got some major changes coming, well, on both of them. We got major changes because remember my speedometer is out on Butter, so I got some changes coming on her, and this one too. Trust.
One eternity later.
All right, today is about the Mercedes. It needs a service, and I'm gonna drop it off to have the bumper fixed. So I should pick up a couple of these clips that connect to the front bumper, because I know they're not gonna do it.
On my way, Canaan land. Ooh, on my way, glory, hallelujah, I'm on my way. On my way. Well, I'm on my way.
Y'all, just dropped the Benz off, the E350. It'll be ready today. I got some clips on order. The key needs a battery because the key is going out. And we're gonna see what we can do with this bumper today. Other than that, time to get something to eat.
I don't need a whole big jar of it, you know? And she was like, okay, so she brought me this today. This was way
Where'd she
more,
get it?
Way more than I wanted.
Oh, snap.
From Costco.
They got a Temerario. I have not seen the Temerarios yet. I just, hold on.
Right,
hold
go
on.
so you can make
Hold on. I'm parking right here. Hold on. Real quick, y'all. I have not seen one of the Temerarios in person yet. Dang. Y'all hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. Damn, I've never seen a 765 in person either. And a GT3rs. Oh my goodness. Yo, Lamborghini is not playing today. That's the spec right there. That's my spec right there. And the Urus SE. 3 of them in a row. I have not seen the Urus SEs. This for baby mama right here. There's no drama baby mama truck right here. But that GT3RS, that's the dream spec right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The 765 LT and the Temerario. If you had these in the garage, oh my goodness. You have one in life. Urus SE. What color is this? I don't know, but look at this. This, for those of y'all who know me, this is my spec right here. I wouldn't change a thing. I would not change a thing. And the Bruce Wayne spec right here. Definitely not mad at this. Gosh, there is a God. I learned my lesson before by sticking the camera in the car, so we won't do that today. So we'll do it from a distance. And this is what life is all about. Get your money up. Get the bag and enjoy life. So as you guys see right here, I'm driving straight, but my steering wheel is a little off. So I'm gonna need an alignment. So after we're done with the Mercedes, you know, we're gonna button up a lot of little details on Butter next. And that's one of the things we're gonna do is this alignment. What in the blood clot? Did you all see that, man? that was actually going on like 20 seconds before I actually was able to grab my camera and start recording. But that was crazy. That was crazy. All right, finally back here at Mercedes-Benz. We're gonna pick up the E350 and then we're gonna bring it on over to get the front bumper done.
The only complication with that is if you decide to buy a house or something like that.
All right, service is done and bumper's still hanging. But we're gonna get that fixed right now. Oh, but looky what we have here.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for me. So cheap, being flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it.
All right, y'all, we here. I'm not sure which one of these body shops are here, but he knows I'm out here and he's about to come out and pick up the car. All right, guys, there she goes. She will be ready tomorrow at noon.
Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you